Good morning, this is Conan Studios. How you guys doing? Remember I was trying to figure out how to run water over to my barrels. So I wouldn't have to, the problem was finding something rigid enough where it would stay over. So I'm going to use PVC. I'm not going to use a big pipe on it. I'm going to use this 1.25 inch. You see the design where it comes in here, flows through, down to the elbow, and out. When I screw this in, I'm going to be putting this plate into it, so it gives it some stability, and a lock washer and nut onto it. You're wondering, why am I putting this here to hold it? Because I'm going to have to cut a piece here and cut a piece over here. No, I'm not. I'm going to hollow this out so the pipe will go right through it, because it makes no sense to have this weak point here going over to here. But I figured if I have two of them up there holding it up, it will be rigid enough to go across and down. And on the other side, I'll drill a hole into the lid and clamp it in there. Or I can get another one, but both pieces at the end could fit this pipe in there, but it ain't really needed. They both have screens in them, so for the bugs on it. So that is my plan up here. So I'll let you know. But you see, I got them all connected together now. On the other side, we only had it up one brick, but I wanted a little bit better gravity and easier to hook up hoses and get to the switch instead of just bending over every time as much. Yes, I'm lazy, okay? Lazy. But I thought I'd let you know about that. Yes, I know I got to do weed killer. But since we're out here, I thought I'd let you see what's going on. My wife hasn't been really feeling that great since one of her masters of Buddhism, who taught her, passed away. As you see, we got some green, right there, green tomatoes, little tomato dough in there. These are just leaning over so much, but they got some beautiful colors on them. These things are taking off like anything. My wife needs to trim them down or do something. Oh, this is another project. Got these two, they were actually 16-foot pieces of wood. They were damaged. The one damaged section was really bad. I just had them throw away at Home Depot. 7% off. See the purple dot? So I got to make a cart. Well, it is a cart, but a wooden frame thing, so when we put stuff on it to carry around the house, it won't be that bad. But my wife, you see, needs to take care of these. These things are going freaking wild. And over here, they're going wild. As you see, the bitter melons They're coming out already. This one ain't climbing well. So usually they just have to take them and help them up. So they will climb. So hopefully they'll get the hint where they're supposed to go. It's funny, we used to have the same type of setup on our fence over there when it was wooden with eye hooks and had a board at the bottom. And she did this when we did green beans, and they were growing really well. So, oh, there's another bitter melon. Yes, English is good for me. Yes. But as you see, this is becoming a jungle. But these things are coming out again really beautifully. I don't see any fruits on these yet, but I have to make sure they don't go on the house or on the roof, because they will clog up the gutters. Our French drain here, because this area will flood. We raised our deck up over here. We had a guy come out here and put some concrete and raise it up because it would just overflow. I don't know if I ever mentioned the French drains before for the gutters. Here's the one side over here, and my wife somewhere over here has a couple other French drains, but she put everything on top of it, and this is the only one what's open. She should have done it level with the concrete, but it's her life. She don't always listen. But I don't know, just see what's happening right now. She trimmed down this tree big time again, but everything's still growing on it. The only problem is this will be growing on it. But we just got done with a week of rain. I don't know why she leaves stuff like this, because it's just breeding material for mosquitoes. All right, guys. You guys take care.